Hello everybody, I just want to make this video. This is my breakfast. While most people are starting their days with donuts and coffee, I'm starting my day with green vegetable juice from my own juicer at home. Everybody, this is a soursop tree, guabanana. And there he goes. And I'm back from my drive. I have my green juice. I had a couple of oranges, but I'm working in the yard and look, this one's ripe. So I just peel it and I eat it. So it's guava banana, also soursop. So as I'm in here in my yard, finding this ripe fruit on a tree, that's my lunch. So I had my green juice and some oranges for breakfast. I have this soursop for lunch, and I'm working on my garden today. And as you can see in the garden, there's some Napa cabbage or Chinese cabbage, and then there's some collards. But I'm gonna pick some of that cabbage, and we're gonna make a nice salad for dinner with that. And that's what's growing on. Working hard. This is a nice snack right off the tree. Right off the tree. You could buy these in a store, and they're like hard as a rock, and they gotta wait for them to ripen. But right off the tree. And pretty soon these will be ripe too. These are called jujubes, also known. They're like apples. They taste like caramel apples. Amazing. But that's it. I'm here working in the garden, and I found this little surprise, and I wanted to show you guys what it is. So I have my green juice. I have some oranges. I'm having this, and we'll make that salad for later. And back to work. All right, check this out. I'm going back to work in my garden, and here's my fig tree. And they're almost ripe. Not yet. Maybe tomorrow or the next day. These are brown Turkish figs. So that's going to be nice. Starting to come in. All right, everybody, still working in the yard, and check this out. This is egg fruit. It's called a canasteel. And I passed my neighbor's house, and I have some trees that are too young, but he has some trees that are in fruiting right now. And this one, he had two of them on the floor. They just fell from the tree. He asked me if I wanted one. Not my favorite, but they're nice. They call it egg fruit because it looks like egg yolks. Tastes nothing like an egg. Very, very sweet. And it's really nice. So this is one of those things I wasn't planning on eating now, but nothing wrong with eating the fruit after you're working hard in the yard. And I am working hard in the yard. So people often ask me how I stay active. Well, I love to exercise. I get to the gym, but I do a lot of yard work. I have over 100 fruit trees, a garden, and 3 yards. I have a garden because I work a plan out with my neighbors where they let me, it was a bad piece, where they let me garden on their land. In exchange, I mow their lawn, so it's extra work for me all around, but extra rewards as well. So, yeah. So this is canasteel egg fruit. And if you go to my fruit tree channel, you could see me talking about this fruit more. That's on YouTube, Fruitful Trees. On YouTube, Fruitful Trees. All right. I haven't even gotten the cabbage out of the ground yet for dinner. But that's what I'm doing next. Okay, it's dinner time, and I just want to show you, I had a couple of these earlier. These are rambutan that I found in the store. Just a few of those. But let's look. Okay, so here's dinner now. We have this, one of my favorite meals. This is vegetable foo young with peanut sauce. And this comes from one of my favorite recipe books. There's the recipe. But I did put some kelp noodles in there. So that's that. And then here's some Napa cabbage salad, because we had Napa cabbage from the garden today. And it's basically Napa cabbage with some dressing. And that's it. And that's our meal for the day. Alrighty.
Nature's wealth, good for your health. This is the Raw Life Health Show. Raw Life, brighten up your life.